The Huawei Shangjie H5 2026 is here, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. But here's the real question: has Huawei just redefined what a smart car can be? Stay with me, because what this car secretly does while you're driving might just change how you see technology forever. At first glance, the Shangjie H5 looks like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi film. The front grille flows seamlessly into razor-sharp LED eyes that seem alive, like they're studying the road before you even move. The body? Sculpted to perfection, sleek curves, clean lines, and a stance that says confidence without shouting. The paint gleams like liquid glass under the sun, and those flush door handles slide out with a soft whisper. But wait till you step inside, that's where the real story begins. Open the door, and it greets you with ambient light that adjusts to your mood. The seats wrap around you like a warm hug. Huawei calls it zero-pressure design, and honestly, they're not exaggerating. Every surface feels soft yet futuristic, with subtle wood trims meeting brushed metal and suede. The cabin is so silent it feels insulated from the chaos outside. Even the air smells cleaner, filtered through Huawei's smart purification system. And when you settle in, the dashboard wakes up, not with buttons, but with an immersive 15-inch floating display that feels more like an iPad fused into the dash. But here's where it gets wild: this thing doesn't just show data, it learns you. Huawei's HarmonyOS inside the Shangjie H5 is the same brain that powers their flagship devices, but here, it adapts to your driving mood. The AI recognizes your tone, your routes, even your playlists. Feeling stressed? It dims the lights, adjusts the seat temperature, and cues a calming playlist automatically. One touch and the panoramic roof turns from clear to frosted glass, pure magic. And get this, the H5 can sync with your Huawei phone or watch instantly. Missed a call? The car answers for you, projecting the person's face right on the dash. Tell me that's not straight from the future. Which feature blew your mind the most so far? Drop it in the comments below. I'm curious who's loving this level of tech. But all that beauty means nothing if it can't perform, right? Under the hood, the 2026 Shangjie H5 runs a dual-motor electric setup pushing around 400 horsepower, launching from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds. That's in the same ballpark as a BMW i4, but here's the kicker: it's smoother, quieter, and somehow more composed. The range? Around 720 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to Huawei's new, superconductive battery system. And it charges from 20 to 80% in under 18 minutes. Perfect for families who love long road trips or daily commuters who hate waiting. But this is where the twist comes in. Hidden within the safety suite is Huawei's biggest surprise, something no one expected in a mid-size EV. The Shangjie H5 features a real-time predictive collision system powered by LiDAR and satellite data. Yes, satellite data. It doesn't just see obstacles, it knows they're coming before they appear in view. Imagine a sudden fog, or a car braking two vehicles ahead. Your H5 starts adjusting even before you react. That's not just smart driving, that's near telepathic safety. For parents, for late-night drives, that's peace of mind in motion. Picture yourself cruising at dusk, city lights fading behind you, the cabin glowing with soft blue light. Your favorite song plays, the car glides like silk, and for a moment, it feels like the world outside has paused. That's the emotional magic Huawei has nailed, not just transportation, but transformation. So, is the Huawei Shangjie H5 2026 perfect? Not quite. It's high-tech, sure, but all that tech might intimidate traditional drivers. Yet for those who crave innovation wrapped in elegance, it's a masterpiece in motion. What do you think? Is Huawei the new king of smart EVs, or just a flashy tech experiment on wheels? Smash that like button if this car deserves the spotlight, drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe, because the next one might just blow this away.